U.S. Travelers' Top 10 Travel Tips. Oh, take all the travel documents required for the countries you are visiting, as well as identification for your U.S. re-entry. U.S. citizens need passports to re-enter the country by air. Go to the State Department's Travel Resources website for destination information. Oh, declare everything you bring in from abroad, even if you bought it in a duty-free shop. Oh, be cautious when buying something from street vendors. The merchandise may be counterfeit and/or unsafe, and you may have to surrender it when you return home. Oh, items brought abroad for personal use or as gifts are eligible for duty exemptions. If you are bringing them back for resale, they are not eligible for duty exemption. Oh, be aware of U.S. prohibited merchandise, such as ivory, tortoiseshell products, and counterfeit items. Oh, many foreign-made medications are not approved for United States use and are not permitted in the country. When traveling abroad, bring only the medication you will need. Make sure the medication is in the original container. Oh, travels to and from Cuba. Before departing on your trip, check the latest information for the full list of prohibited and restricted items on the Department of the Treasury's Sanctions Programs and Country Information website, as well as other related government resources. Oh, before bringing food to the United States, please check the list of prohibited items. All live animals, birds, and bird products may be restricted, quarantined, or require certification. Oh, CBP officers can inspect you and your belongings without a warrant to enforce U.S. laws. Oh, for more information, read the CBP brochure Know Before You Go Pocket Guide, publication #0198-0215. Request printed copies on the CBP publication catalog page. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest travel tips and destination guides. Safe travels, and see you in the next adventure.